Question is for Shah.
Your name, please.
My name is Salim Soomro. I'm from Houston. I used to be in California. My question is, it is obvious that martial law is not the solution. Democracy is the solution. But I think corruption is the bigger problem. For instance, India has never, there have never been any martial law in India, but still they were suffering a lot. So do you think corruption is the problem? And for instance, whenever there is some martial law, we see from Shikarpur to Karachi, all the buses are not looted in martial law. But any democracy, from Nawaz Sharif or People's Party or any democracy, you cannot travel from Shikarpur to Karachi after 9 p.m.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
We are not safe in our home.
Yes.
For a few days, when there is martial law, the fruit wallas sell clean fruit at the government rate. Trains come on time. After 10 days, it's back to square one. Yes. Because the military just doesn't have the training, the capacity, the understanding of civil society. Corruption obviously is a problem, but corruption is a universal human failing. It's not peculiar to Pakistan. Every time I pick up a US newspaper, there is a governor that has been charged with corruption, or a congressman, or a senator. The answer to corruption is to have mechanisms of accountability from within the democratic process. The generals have no right, have no understanding to come and tell you that you are corrupt. One general told me one day, I was asking him why you intervene in politics. He said, "Yaar, tum to सीधा दरख्त भी नहीं लगा सकते civilians." मैंने कहा जी मैं भी सिविलियन. कहते नहीं आप वो सिविलियन नहीं है. सॉरी. तो कंटेम्प्ट है सिविलियंस की कैपेसिटी के लिए, के कॉम्पिटेंस के लिए, और ये इंस्टीट्यूशनली उनमें एम्बेडेड है. उन्हें एनडीयू में पढ़ाया जाता है. मैंने उनका एनडीयू का करिकुलम देखा है, उनकी ट्रेनिंग देखी है. उसमें ये पढ़ाया जाता है कि आप जो है ना, एज अ ब्रिगेडियर, एज अ मेजर जनरल, यू आर केपेबल ऑफ डूइंग एनीथिंग इन द वर्ल्ड. यूनिवर्सिटी भी आप चला सकते हैं. आप उनके पेपर्स पढ़ें, वो पेपर्स लिख रहे हैं कि जी सेनेट को अबॉलिश कर दें पाकिस्तान की, बिकॉज ये बहुत कंफ्यूजन है. पाकिस्तान में सिर्फ 2 पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज होनी चाहिए, बाकियों को खत्म कर दें. ये वो अपने ग्रेजुएशन के पेपर्स में लिखते हैं. फौजी पाकिस्तान के जो ऑफिसर हैं, ठीक है. इंडिया की जो पार्लियामेंट है उसमें भी बहुत करप्शन है. बट डज दैट मीन द इंडियन आर्मी शुड कम एंड टेल? मैं इंडियन आर्मी ऑफिसर्स में पाकिस्तान इंडिया में रिसर्च कर रहा था, अपनी डिसर्टेशन की इंडिया और पाकिस्तान का कंपैरिजन. तो मैंने इंडियन आर्मी ऑफिसर से पूछा, आई आस्क्ड एन इंडियन कर्नल, व्हाट वुड यू डू इफ योर कमांडिंग ऑफिसर कॉल्ड यू and said, let's take over the Prime Minister's house and the TV station? And he said, I'll have a heart attack. If you ask a Pakistani officer, he's going to say, not only am I going to take it over, I'll take my tank and blow it up if I have to. Right?
Thank you. Thank you. So here, yes, absolutely. I'll come to you next because we want to hear from